So first you want to go ahead and open up your first app. So we can start with Notes here. And then all we have to do is just click these three lines here in the right hand side. And then on the top of the app icon, you want to click on it and then click open in split screen view. And then the next thing we have to do is just look for the second app that we want to do the split screen with. Let's go ahead and choose My Files. And just like that, we now have split screen. If you want to go ahead and swap the order, all you have to do is just go ahead and click on these three dots in the middle. And then you can click on these two arrows here and it swaps the places. Let's go back and do that. And then the other thing that you could do is, say for instance, you want your left side to be a little bit narrower than your right side. Go ahead and just select your finger here on the three dots and then just move it over to whichever direction you want, really. And then you can kind of do the same thing on the right hand side just to have somewhat of a skew. Let's go ahead and bring it back in the middle here, or somewhat in the middle. And there you go. And that is how you do split screen on your Samsung tablet, specifically the A9 Plus.